just got the Tesla in, and Johnny's got the key for that thing. You want to see it? Look at that. What?
So the key is literally a card. I don't know how that works. That would be so difficult for me because I feel like I'll lose it. But it's on the clipboard. Customer's gonna have their key when they come back. Wait, I think it's something like this. Yep. Do I have to push this? It's tied.
Let's get it, Mitchie. What are we doing?
All right, so I am sitting next to a Tesla Model 3. This is actually our next wrap project. It's going to be going brushed black metallic. I have mixed feelings about this car. It is a kind of, God, it's so distracting.
Me moving?
Yeah.
Come on, bro.
It's new to me, man.
Pretend like I'm not here.
It's not a car that's made by car people. It's a car made by technology people. Sometimes they think differently. So
it's the tech's perspective, not the mechanic's perspective, right?
anyways, with my experience on the Model S, it's definitely different to take one of these apart. The good news is I don't have to take a lot apart because they're kind of gappy. I don't mean that in a negative way, it's just a gappier car. These panels all have gap on them, so you have plenty of tuck. And with it being a black car, going black, we don't have to do anything super crazy on the wrap process. So I'm not gonna be taking a ton off, but I've already seen it's going to be weird to take off the things that I do need to take off. So I'm a little nervous. I don't say that too often. I guess next step is just to start and get into it.
Lights popping up?
I already said that, sir.
Oh, sorry.
Be a filmer.
Sorry. So I just got a piece big enough to fill in the center here. And what I'm gonna do is show you guys. Alright, so I finished up the hood scoop. Now I gotta deliver it over to Mitchie so we can put it back on. And we're done. That's what it looks like. Still gotta clean it up a little bit, but it came out really, really clean. Hey, Mitchell. Got something for you.
Okay, then I got something for you.
Oh no, what do you got for me? Let's get a swap.
We're supporting John Park in the next election, so.
Who's John Park? Oh, so he's like, let me hit up premium so they can put me on the vlog and then I can get elected? Maybe. Alright, John, we'll take 10 grand. plus the wrap.
Yeah, without the wrap included.
So who's John Park?
I don't know.
What does he want? That van. Hey John, I'm with John. That's tight. That's very cool. He wants that. Is the van white?
Yeah. Yes.
That's easy. Tell him $5,000. So you feel confident with the Tesla?
Yeah, I think it's gonna be easy.
So I think the biggest concern we have is the mirrors. The mirrors are always usually hard to get off, but these aren't that hard.
Yeah.
You just go into the door panel.
Yeah, you don't even have to take the door panel off, so we'll get into it.
Sweet.
Stop getting so close to my face. It's weird.
All right, so one tail light's done, trimmed out, ready to go. Got to knock that one out. How was the bend? Was it difficult?
Yeah, it wasn't too hard actually. It was just making sure everything reaches around once you make your cut, making sure it folds around and.
So you're tucking it all the way in.
Yeah, all the way into the inside.
Sweet. Shrink that baby. One down, hood scoop's done. I'm sorry I didn't record too much of the process. Like I said earlier, it's a functioning business, so things happen during the process. I'm not able to go in as detailed as I'd like, but I hope there was enough film so we can kind of understand what I did. When it comes to this, we'll definitely get thoroughly detailed into it. And then we still got the taillights here, so I should get over there and try to knock that out with you guys. And then Christian's working on a flag. We've been doing a bunch of American flags, and then we're gonna be probably trying these out. I think we can go with that one. Yeah, that one's cool right there. How were they?
Taillights?
Yeah.
They were cool. They look great, but I think
they look way sicker in red, dude.
yeah, I don't know why this doesn't come like that from factory.
Got the whole back panel removed already. It's crazy. You gotta like get all this stuff off to get to that.
Yep.
What are you trying to get off?
Just the taillights that are on the actual trunk part
Got it.
itself.
So to get the taillights off of the deck, off of the hatch. You had to take all that off. Dude, this thing is like super thin. Kind of janky.
That's just like a reflector piece, but
This is a reflector here.
yeah.
I bet you that's like taped in, dude.
It's clipped on this side. I just don't know what's holding that corner. I don't want to
This is the side that has the charging port. Just a little push. Nice. That's tight too. You brought me something?
Yee, what's up, guys? Yeah, yeah.
see
I'll
him?
show you this one because we know this one has a P on it.
Nice. Okay, so there's the wallet set we've been wanting to do. We added a new P to the back, so these probably won't be available on the first batch. Probably only the second batch.
Yeah,
Because I want to launch them.
exclusive.
So, yeah, those are exclusives. Or maybe we'll throw. I'm gonna give yours away.
Oh, wait, hold on. If you give the
Dude,
bills
they
that are
look
in there.
So good.
Yeah.
They
So
look really good.
when you guys open the boxes, this is what they're gonna look like. Hand engraved by your boy.
That's tight. Dude. Super clean.
So that's without the P.
And then this is your wallet you've been rocking for like a couple weeks now.
No, we've had this for like a month. Yeah. So this is how it looks. You guys, are we good?
Yeah.
You see 90 scratches on it.
Held up well.
Held up really
What do
well.
you guys think of the P on the back? So I want to do that. I think that looks cool. For the first batch, they're not going to have them. They're going to be blank. You'll have just the logos up front. But I mean, obviously that looks really cool. We definitely should do that
I think this
on
is
the
dope.
next batch. We
Especially-
gotta get through those first ones though.
I rock it in my back pocket, like backwards. I
Rock it
don't.
in my back pocket.
Yeah, so like if you have your back pocket, you can see this. Let's use your butt. Let's use your butt example. All right, there it goes. You guys rocking your back pocket. You're sporting the fast P. Thanks to our model
Premium
Daniel.
fast P. Now I love it, dude. You did a good job. So Jefe has a side job. He's now the official engraver man.
There it is. We got some more stuff coming to you.
Yep. By the time you guys see this video, these will be available online. I'm gonna make them available because a lot of people asked, and I want to get them to the people that really want them. So we're gonna put 25 on the website. They'll be, with the exception of not having that P, the next 25 will have them. So thanks, bro. All right, guys. Let me give you an update on where the guys are at. They all just went out to lunch real quick. I'm gonna leave for the day, so I wanted to say bye to you guys, but also show you where Mitch has gotten so far. He has the rear bumper taken off. I actually haven't even looked at it myself, so I'm with you guys looking at it. He's probably spent the bulk of the time just getting that done. Rear bumper, taillights are off, emblems are coming off. You see he got them all taped off before he removed it just to make sure he didn't scratch the car. Not much progress will probably get made on the Tesla today. We'll probably start wrapping in the morning.
All right, so working on the bumper now. This kind of goes back to what I talked about earlier about this kind of being a tech car where it's not really like a mechanic type mindset when they're putting it together. For example, taking off this front bumper now, I have all these stuff underneath taken off. I have the sides taken apart. There are gonna be bolts, which I've located here and along this front, that's actually gonna hold the front of this bumper on. And to do that, you have to take apart the entire frunk is what they call it, the front trunk that they got. So basically, you have to take the floor mat out, you have to take the cover out for the latch, you have to take this stuff off, these vents and everything like that, and then this entire thing is gonna end up popping up. So just a ton of disassembly for something that could have been clipped. A lot of ways they could have done it, but I will give it to them, it's aerodynamic. So basically, this bag here is the hardware to get the front bumper off, because you do have to go take all this interior apart in there. You have to take everything out from underneath. So to get that bumper separated, I don't know, it's probably about 50 pieces of hardware. And then when you get to it, only thing holding the headlights in is this, just 2 bolts. So
Wow.
I think that's just kind of funny. I mean, it's good engineering because they were holding in place just fine. All right, so the car is now completely disassembled to where I need to get it, because we are going to be doing, like I said, full wrap in the Avery brushed black metallic, as well as blacking out all of the chrome. So this is where it stands now. I'm going to call it a day on this one, get it cleaned up, and then basically start wrapping first thing in the morning. That's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions on that, just comment down below. And I think we're going to be wrapping up with Johnnee.
Johnnee, you got something to say to the camera, boy?
Is this the end of the video?
Yeah.
Did you already do 2000 system? Yo, so I look like I just crawled in the dirt, but So you guys know, once we get to 200,000 subscribers, my man Mitch and me and Daniel, who's not here at the moment, but will be here in every other vlog, we're gonna go to you, we're gonna wrap your car for absolutely free. All you gotta do is subscribe, and you gotta sign up below, and then you're all set. You're part of the big giveaway. So make sure you guys go ahead and do that. I'm gonna get back to sanding that truck.